Undangin na ninyo ang permi nga pagkonsum aning tulo ka klase nga mga pagkaon kung gusto ka makalikay sa sakit nga chronic kidney disease. Excuse me, this is Marman. I am not a doctor. I am a kidney health advocate and kidney transplant survivor. Busy na kayo ang mga tao karon. Tungod sa kabisi, sa priorities, trabaho, pamilya, ug uban pa, wala na tay time magluto. And we shift to
easy to cook meals.
dali maluto, instant, convenient. Wala ta kabantay na sa atong pagdali-dali, ginadali na pud nato og destroy ang atong health because of our food choices every day. O guilty ko ana, the reason why I got sick with chronic kidney disease. And these are the top 3.
Types of food that damages our kidneys over time.
Number 1, ultra-processed foods. Mauni nga mga pagkaon ang taas sa asin, unhealthy fats, added sugars, and additives. Regular na ko og kaon ang instant noodles, junk food, packaged snacks, and ready-to-eat meals. Pagkaon nga dali kaunon, pero dali pod makadaot sa kidneys. Number 2, processed meat. Lami kaunon, dali lutoon. Hot dogs, bacon, sausages, ham, luncheon meat, canned goods, ug uban pa. Dili ni siya parat i-taste, pero
It contains too much sodium.
and we know that too much sodium can raise blood pressure, and high blood pressure is also a major cause of kidney damage. Number 3, eating too much sugary foods and drinks. Sa una, mahilig ko ani soft drinks, milk tea.
Powdered juice and energy drinks.
Although my chronic kidney disease was not related to diabetes, pero bantayanan gihapon kaayo ni siya nga mga
ilimnon
because these are high in sugar, and excessive added sugar can contribute to weight gain, metabolic problems, and type 2 diabetes, which is also one of the major cause of chronic kidney disease. Now you know, and now you decide. Usahay no, sa atong pagdali-dali, wa na takabantay nga atong kinabuhi na di ay mismo ang atong ginadali. Ug ayha padayon ma-realize unsa ka importante ang health kung naa na ta dinha nag-antos sa sakit. Remember, you don't need to go through the same journey I went through. Learn from my story before it becomes yours. Kinulman ra ang kinabuhi.
Enjoy but do not compromise your health.
If you want to protect your kidneys and learn from someone who has been there, follow me and share this video to your family and friends. See you!